What's up guys, in today's video I am playing Animal Rivals. Right now my right controller is broken, so don't ask what's happening when I click something. So I have to use my left controller. Kinda sucks.
I just smacked my wall. Timbers.
Y'all wants to play with me? Actually no, I'll just do this. Alright guys. Frick. Let me show you the problem. So when I hold down a button, listen to this. Okay, bro. And when I play it, it has to not work. Okay, bro. This game sucks. Wrong gun.
How do I? Come on, I want to switch my gun.
What's up, guys?
How?
That person's on our team, guys. Calm down.
How do I switch my gun, guys?
Freaking scared.
Someone right here.
Die! Brother, I'm cooked. Back! So good at this game.
How do I reload? Does it reload on the gun?
Yep, dead.
Good for you, buddy. Give me that crap.
No!
Frick! Why is everyone better than me? I'm gonna go up to people and pump them. To get up close and close.
Someone over here! Oh!
Oh, damn it.
Oh my gosh!
Frick, yeah.
Gotta stay right there. He's gonna run forward and kill you.
Bro, I knew that would pay off someday.
Give me this crap. Jeez. Cooking.
GG's, bro.
I have played this game, but I lost all my recording.
I love spamming shotgun. Bro, really?
Crap. This is my last shotgun, then I'm gonna spam the Renegade Raider. I'm flipping.
You should be dead.
What the flip? I pumped you.
He's not dead. He's not dead.
Haha.
I'm sorry.
Wait, does he have a
Oh my god, it's not shooting.
Fa.
Ah!
Fa. Die.
Element, you're dead.
Suck my fat one.
Yo, really?
Suck thou's fat one. Suck thou's fat one. Fat. Suck thou's fat one. Suck thou's fat one. You know what? I'm switching. Fa.
Bro, this guy's immune.
Let's have a celebration. I'm ready. I'm Brick. Get me over. Yes. Johnny. I'm gonna play 2 more matches, guys.
Damn.
Dang.
I can't join anything.
Ah! Help me!
Everybody join blue.
Join blue.
Everybody.
Boy.
Element of surprise.
The element of surprise.
Element of surprise.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Suck thou's fat one. Suck thou's fat one. Suck thou's fat one. Suck thou's fat one.
Shit.
Suck Val's fat one.
Suck my fat one.
Suck Val's fat one.
That's my fat one.
Guys, it's Suck My Fat One, but in the 1800s. Suck Val's fat one. Suck Val's fat one. Suck Val's fat one. You're not sick! Ah!
Bro, I love Element.
Suck Val's fat one. Suck Val's fat one.
I don't.
I'm not.
Fat one.
Suck Val's fat one. Suck Val's. Suck Val's fat one.
Elemental one.
Move out of the way, fatty. Suck Val's fat one. Suck Val's fat one. Suck Val's fat one.
I'm gonna put my
I'm gonna try to use this one. Ma! Suck my fat one. Suck my fat one. Suck my fat one. No McDonald's for you, little Timmy. No Mc. Oh, revolver sucks. I'm gonna run up to be
That
one
was
pumpkin.
actually so funny.
Suck that was fat one. Suck that was fat one. How the frick are you dead the first time? Well, I'm on your team.
I'm not full, I didn't know.
Okay, butthead.
Guys, yo, just rush. Run at them.
Roll! Suck that was fat. I'm a tank.
You shot me.
Get the frick over here. Where's your crap?
I'm gonna beat them to death.
Yeah,
Yeah, go back.
Go that way.
I'm gonna go beat them.
Nation's rising.
Oh my god. I know we're in Belmont. I just wiped down an entire army by punching them.
He's standing above a disease body.
Suck that was fat one. Suck that was fat one. Mooga! Direct hit. Suck that was fat one. Suck that was fat one. Oh frick yeah.
I love beating people to death.
Oh.
How do you get the boxing glove? I want the book. I want the boxing glove. Get the frick over here, little boy!
What? Bro, you can do the silliest last
Give me this up.
dance boxing glove.
You are cooked. Frick! Now it's time to spammy spam. Spammy, spammy, spam time. Spammy, spammy, spam. I love spamming my gun because it is really fun. Give me the scrap. Mooga! Mooga!
I thought he didn't know all the time.
Mooga! Mooga!
Oh my god! I died!
My mom says I have autism! My mom says I have autism! My mom said I'm special! My mom said I'm
I
special!
want watermelon.
My mom said I'm special!
Some chicken?
Look, that was that one! Look, that was that one, buddy! I'm gonna freaking kill all of you! Suck that was fat one!
Bro, I need to get him a chance.
Skippy!
What at them at Mach 10. Mach 10.
Suck my fat one! Suck it! Suck my fat one! Suck my fat one!
I just screamed. Where's Lord?
Bro, guys, you gotta stop killing them. I need to punch them to death.
Suck my fat one!
That's my question.
Don't have
I
to.
love beating people.
I'm going to the trenches. Yeah?
Frick yeah!
I'm going to play it. I don't.
leave. That was fat one.
Red team is go.
Red team. Nah, blue team's awesome. Bro, I
Red
have 36,000 damage.
team is bang on. Red team
36,000
rules.
damage just from attacking people.
Red team rules.
Well, just flat out attacking people.
I'm not grenade to the trenches.
Moving off.
Grenade out.
Oh my gorilla attack.
Oh. Frick.
Reroute. So that was fat one. That was fat one.
Suck that was fat one. Suck that was fat one. Suck that was fat one. Suck that was that fat one. Frick. Suck that was fat one. Suck that was fat one. Haha. Frick you, little boy. I'm ready for revenge. Woo! Let it scream, let it shout, let them know what you're about. Gangster G on the move. Ah, it's Gangster G! How the frick? You're hacking! You're hacking! Yo, people have infinite health in this game. They're hacking. Let's have a Python. Hello. You suck. Gotta run. This is why you have no mother.
You have no mother.
You have no mother.
Hey, what up? What up? What up, man?
I'm gonna freaking pump your crap. That's mine.
Oh my god.
See you, buddy. Get over here. Frick.
Our team is absolutely cooking. Oh yeah, we don't play like that.
Rover sucks.
No worse. You're playing Batman, aren't you? Oh my goodness. Hey, I'll thank you, bro.
No problem, buddy. We're teammates. We stick together, bro.
Yeah, we stick together forever.
What?
Bro, where are you? I can't lie. Whatever, bro. Let it scream. Let it shout. Let them... Wait, this is the last round. Hold up. Why does the revolver suck so badly, though?
Fun.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh, dang it.
What the frick? Who's shooting me?
You're not dying. You're just not dying.
Let's get our massive guts out and face the roof.
I got
And
mini
Do you want to play mini games? Do you want to play mini games? Mini games! Mini games! Freaking mini games! We're on your team, buddy.
Bro, I'm running away from my... Yeah, you...
Toilet head!
I'm close.
Ah! You suck! How do you not die? Spammer time. Spam, spam, spam.
Oh, yeah. I'm actually
Oh,
fun.
yeah! Suck my fat one, buddy. You deserve to die, bro. You're using the shotgun.
Let me kill that guy. Where's he?
Okay, please.
Nah, yeah, I deserve. Get better. Get on my game.
For real.
These kids like
Get
fucking
out with
children
you
are-
useless shotguns. I totally don't have a shotgun, trust.
Oh, get over here. Oh, I'm jinxed. Oh, I'm jinxed.
You freaking suck,
What
buddy.
are you looking at, bro?
Get
He's
more
looking at,
skill.
Bro,
Hello.
there's a guy just staring at me. The true shot.
Okay, bro, you have no skill.
Imagine you should.
Bro, these kids have no skill. You're get the frick out of here, buddy.
Suck my balls. Bro. What's up, bro?
Suck my fat one, buddy. Shut up! You have no mother. You have no mother. You have no mother. That's my jam. I'm gonna blow your crap.
Blue is the better team.
For real. Blue's better. Blue's better.
Yeah, blue is actually better.
Blue's way
Bro,
better.
No, why is it in this game?
Okay, you have no skill.
Give me these.
Kill the kid with the machete.
Nah, bro.
Oh wait, we're on the same team.
Shit on.
I'm so bad. Tell us we're on the same team.
Shit on. Bruh.
Alright guys, that was my last step. Guys, goodbye. This is the end of the video.